Saturday. Tawad. Huh? Tawad. Yung buhok ko.
Today we're gonna go to Langley to visit alpacas at a farm because it's a nice day, so it's a good drive.
Ito pala yung yung highway na dinaanan namin yung nagbiyahe from Calgary to Vancouver, yung kinuha namin yung car ni Kim. Tama ba?
Hindi.
Dito ba?
Hindi.
Saan ba yun? Highway? Ito ata yun eh. Kasi dumaan tayo dun sa
I don't know.
Ito yun kasi dumaan tayo ng dito. Sa may village or something.
Those buildings you see, I'm pretty sure that's COVID level. Yeah.
Oo, maganda lang na yan. Daming sasakyan. Daming sasakyan.
So we have like HOV lanes and normal lanes. HOV lanes are for cars with 2 or more passengers. So, and then the other ones are just normal if you're alone or are going to exit soon. But we're on this highway for
27 kilometers.
27 kilometers. So we're gonna be on the HOV lane for a while.
Yes.
See, look, there's so many cars in BC. So now we are almost in Surrey. That's the Portman Bridge. I don't know if we're gonna go through there. It looks like we're going through there. So yeah, I guess. Take you.
Okay, we're here. Pasok tayo. Ito yung papasok sa mga alpacas. And pagkapasok nyo, makikita nyo agad sila. Ayan. Ching! Pero konti lang yan. Nasa loob yung madami. Hindi lang alpacas ang makikita nyo dito, guys. Meron ding chickens. Meron din silang sino yung si Ear? Yung si I forgot the name. Ayan guys, oh. Haha. Ayan sila. Pero mamaya makikita nyo sila ng mas closer pa. Ayan.
Admission is $10, but this also goes towards whatever you're buying in the store. We're all looking at the kitty cat.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Look at this one. He walked away from me. What the heck? Hi, buddies. This guy seems so unbothered by everything. He's like, I don't really care. It's such a nice day. I don't care. I'm a celebrity. What are you eating there, buddy? He looks like a dog. Let's go to...
May dumi ba?
Huh? What up? Let's go over there. These are turkey, I think. Yeah, they're turkey. Yan lang. Relax, relax. Piggy. Enjoying the sun. Relaxing in the sun. So unbothered. One alpaca, two alpaca, three alpaca, and lots of. So we're just walking around the farm. There's a cat. The farm is so big. They also sell fresh eggs here. Look at them. They're all staring at us. Hi guys. And it's so nice here because it's so quiet and there's fresh air. It's not busy.
What?
It's so nice here because we're away from the city and we're surrounded by animals. What can you say about it?
It's very nice. Nakaka-relax siya. Minsan kasi kailangan lang talaga natin ng quiet time away from the city. Lalo na pag super stressful na yung mga pangyayari.
Tae!
Oh, wow! Super natural and organic.
Organic tae! May donkey dito dati. In that enclosure there, but now it's not here. We don't know where it is. Maybe it's sleeping.
Yeah, may donkey dito eh. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Ito siya oh. Ito siya oh. Ito yan.
Guys, amoy tae pero amoy tae. Pero fresh air guys. Don't panic. It's organic. Punta tayo dun sa chicken. Pare, where you going? Where you going, pare? Okay, sige. See you later. They're not there anymore. Kanina dito yung maraming alpacas and now they're way over there. There's no more feeding program. So they left. So the rule is if it's open, you can go inside. This happens to be open. So papasok tayo. Pero, oh yeah, there's nothing there. There's just hay, an RV, and a speedboat. One of my dreams is to have a speedboat. So maybe we can acquire that in the near future. Something for fun in Vancouver. Punta tayo dun ngayon sa chickens. Hey guys, ito ang chicken area. There's lots of chickens here. Oh my god. There used to be a lot. Now there is not a lot. Ah, Chicken Little! Chicken Little! Yan ang isa. Yan ang isa pa. Hello? Ayun sila. Ingay-ingay nila. Dati, ang dami nila dito. I don't know kung namatay na yung iba dahil sa flood. But I hope not. Are these the kind of chicken for sabong? I don't know. Look. Oh, matapang. I think kakagising lang nito. Kakagising mo lang po ba? Gulo pa po yung hair mo. They also have bunnies here. There's another one in there. She's a bit shy, or he's a bit shy. But this one isn't. It's so soft. Cute drink. Hey guys, I'm just at my house right now. She's a little bit scared, but these ones are not. Oh my god. Guys, Kat is sleeping. Oh my god. She thinks she's one of the chickens. Hello po. Kumusta po? Opo. Nagsasabong po ba kayo?
Pwede na po ba kayong isabong? Tignan mo, ang ganda ng ano nito. Ang feather niya. Diba guys? Sa Pilipinas, yung mga pabo ng ano tawag ito?
Naharas. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda niya oh. Yeah. Ang lahat sila turkey dito. May... Wow, hi! Oh, ang ganda ng araw talaga, no? Oo. Guys, may... what do you think? Cow. Baka. May mga baka dalo. Pero, saka dito. May mga baka din pala sila dito. That's what I mean to say. Sorry. Hello po. Nag-agree po ba kayo na mas masarap po ang Alberta beef? Okay. Thank you for your time. What about you there? So cute. Yes, they're so cute. Ang cute niya. Hi po. Sorry, hindi na ako kakain ng meat. Cute kayo. I love you. Love you, 1J. 6J. I love you too. Oh, pagkatapos kitang sabihan ng I love you, iihi ka, 1J. Ayan, oo. Hi, 2J. Ikaw, 4J. Kumusta? Kumusta ng life natin dito? Are cows herbivores? Bye, cow. Forgot your name. Hi.
You have a name? All
Oh, they have hair guide. They have this one, leaflets for their event on April.
And a notepad.
Yeah, right? So nice.
What's this one?
A care guide.
Wow, so cute.
I like it.
And we bought a cookie. Cute. What a good time. Is the cookie good? Yeah, we paid we paid $10 to get here for the admission, but that $10 you can use it in the store over there where we were. And so we bought this one with our $10. Actually, this was $12, but so it became $2. So cute, right? Do you know what this is? This is actually soap. And apparently the felt, this cloth, it shrinks when you use it. So each time you use it, it also shrinks to the size, which is so cool. And then we also bought the cookie for, I don't know, like $8 or something. And so in total we paid $11. So that's pretty good. So they also sell eggs over there. So like if you want to buy eggs, fresh eggs from the farm, they're $7 a dozen. And if you use your entrance, then it's free. Or if you use your $5 entrance, then the dozen of eggs will be only $2. Pretty cool. So we're now gonna drive on this very nice day.